Hey everyone! Today we're diving into XRP, the coin behind Ripple. Why is it making headlines in July 2025? What's driving the buzz? And is it a good buy or a risky gamble? Let's break it down. What is XRP? Fast payments for global banks? XRP is a digital token used for cross-border payments. Built on the XRP ledger by Ripple Labs, it settles transactions in 3 to 5 seconds with minimal fees. It's used by payment providers and banks to move money globally, offering a gateway between fiat currencies quickly and cheaply. Why it's trending now? EVM sidechain launch. XRP just launched its Ethereum-compatible sidechain, opening the door for smart contracts and new DeFi applications. Whale activity. Large holders have accumulated over 610 million XRP, signaling confidence. Technical setup. On-chain data and chart patterns suggest XRP may break out above $2.30 soon. Here's why people are optimistic. Smart contracts on XRP. With the new EVM sidechain, developers can build apps on XRP's fast, low-cost network. That puts XRP in the same category as Ethereum, but cheaper and faster. Whale accumulation. Big wallets are buying 610 million XRP, which equals $1.3 billion of interest, which often precedes upward moves. Institutional interest in ETF talk. Analysts say an XRP ETF approval could push the price toward $5. One forecast even suggests $6.50 to $8 if major catalysts align. So if XRP clears $2.30 resistance, we could be headed for $3 to $5 or more, especially with more whales and broader adoption. Bearish case. It's not all smooth sailing. Technical warning signs. A stochastic RSI flashover suggests XRP has historically dropped 25% after overbought spikes. If that plays out again, XRP could fall toward $1.14 or even 60 cents. Resistance and consolidation risk. XRP has been stuck between $2.13 and $2.23 for weeks. Without a catalyst, it could stagnate or break down. ETF and reg clarity delays. XRP ETFs are still pending. Any delay from the SEC could stall momentum. And a breakdown of bullish chart patterns could lead to a sharp drop. Staying above $2.20 is critical. A drop below $2 might push it toward $1.60 or $1.14. WHO is XRP for? Traders who believe in a breakout can use tight stop losses below $2. Long-term believers in XRP's payment tech might hold through volatility. Institutional investors looking for ETF exposure may see XRP as a bet on mainstream crypto adoption. Always do your own research, know your risk tolerance, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. XRP is at a tipping point, poised for big gains with its new tech, whale moves, and ETF potential. But it's also at risk if charts break down or regulatory delays hit. What do you think? Bullish on the $2.30 plus rocket, or bracing for a dip? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto breakdowns.